What's up, guys? It's Deet. Um, just finally got my head gasket in and my gasket refresh kit, so I'm gonna start getting everything prepped. I got the old head gasket off, got everything prepped to start putting it back in. We'll see how it goes. Alright, I got the new head gasket sitting on the block. Head's right here. I gotta dig in and get all these little washers out, clean up my head a little bit, and we'll be ready to start slapping it all back together. I got a turbo manifold coming soon, my intake manifold coming soon, and I'm gonna start looking for my my rear sump oil pan pretty soon. Alright guys, so I'm about to start putting in the head bolts and torquing them down. Unfortunately, I will not be able to film this part because I need to bring up the torque specs and the order in which to torque the head bolts down so I don't bend anything, so I'm sorry about that, but I'll get back to you whenever it's done. Alright guys, I'm just finishing snugging down the last one, and I'm gonna make sure I get the right order and the right torque specs, throw everything on the torque wrench. I think I'm gonna write it down somewhere, draw it on a piece of cardboard so that I can try to make sure I film it for you guys. Alright guys, I got my little diagram here, got my torque wrench, got my heater over here. It's cold, so let's get this going. Alright, now you guys can see that I'm torquing them to spec. I'm going to set up a time lapse so it goes a little quicker. Alright, everything's torqued down to the 22 pound-feet that it says on the diagram. And now I gotta mark them and do 90-degree turns on each one twice, which is the scary part. Alright, so that's the first round of 90s done. Now comes the scary part, the second round of 90s. Alright guys, wish me luck. Hopefully I don't snap off a head stud. Almost. That was fucking terrifying. Oh, that was terrifying. I swear I was gonna break one, but it's all done. Head's back on. All right, guys, I got the head back on, head gasket back on. I'm gonna put the cams and stuff in another time. I'm far too terrified from doing that last 90-degree turn on all those head bolts. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.